terms of Revit. If you guys remember, we did last time we set up the tab block and you guys changed all your tab block. I looked at it, everything is good. We dropped the views. We also did all the views in the floor plan and in the ceiling for low voltage as well as for lighting. In the ceiling, some views in the ceiling, some views in the floor plan, right? And we dropped the proper ones. And I hope you guys know that. What we're going to do today is I want to go bring the names of these places because I don't have the names of these places. So follow with me. Let's go insert, and let's go insert import CAD, and do me a favor. Go when you go there, go back one step from here, one more other step, another step. So you're going to find all the CAD files. So insert. Did you guys? Are you with me? Insert, import CAD, and you go backward right here, up one level to AutoCAD. When you go there, you're going to find all these CAD files. What I would like to bring right now is ECDM231X Floor 1, extra for Floor 1. Can I have thumbs up when everybody find it, please? Good. Did you find it? Okay, good. Okay, click on it and hit open. So what I'm doing, I'm loading this floor plan, Adam, so I know what's where my things are located. Open it. So hopefully it sits somewhere. We might have to expand. Here you go. Can you guys see it? Everybody open for you? Yes? No? Did you guys see it? I don't know if you did that step. So now when here's your CAD file. Click on the CAD file and go, guys, slightly focus on one corner, like this corner right here, and drag it and overlap it with your Revit file. To the best of your ability, you can use the arrows to adjust them slightly. To the best of your ability. There you go. So here's my my CAD with all the names of the places, Karen, that I need, all the places, the names of the places that I need, and all the fixtures and what's not. Cool? Everybody's good with that? Okay. So click somewhere else, and you find all the CAD stuff. Adam, did it work for you? Good. Karen, did it work? Okay. Now, before we go there, I do have here's all the names. Let's go, guys. VV. Click on VV. When you VV visibility graphic, go to imported categories like we did before. Imported categories. Expand the CAD file and unclick all of them. Click on the first one, click on the last one, and unclick all of them. Do you see what group select? Select the first one, select the second one, and unclick them all. And then I would like to, what was it? Room names. Can you guys see where it says room names here? Room names. Plumbing fixture and owner equipment. Can you guys see? Click on room names and owner equipment. Did you guys do that? Did you pick owner equipment and room names? I don't need anything else. Mechanical equipment. It says ME mechanical. Click on mechanical equipment too. There's mechanical equipment. These are the ones I need. The owner equipment. I don't need the furniture, elevation, and what's not. So you need owner equipment. And room name as well as the mechanical equipment. Thumbs up, chat. Cool. Everybody's good? All right, let's hit apply and OK it and get out. So here's what you're going to see. Then you're going to see the only thing that's left over, guys, is your mechanical equipment, owner equipment, and names. And these are the ones, Karen, that you want to keep. So it tells you where things are located. Cool? Everybody's good with that? Cool? Yes? No? Everybody's fine? Okay. So go click also, let's go click, guys, on let's see if we can go click on it's hard now to get the CAD. Go pick up the CAD, will you? Grip, you know what did we do last time with let me see if I can overlay VV. Let's go VV. I don't know, VV, imported categories. Revit. Let me see if I can over the owner equipment. Let's see if we can over the color, guys. I'm not sure. Let's put the owner equipment this color, override it. Um, and um, and the mechanical equipment, let me see if I can override it with a different color, red, for example. And names, let's avoid blue. Try to avoid blue. I don't know. Let's say green. Not sure if it's gonna work for you. Okay, apply and okay it. All right. So see what I did, guys? I color code them. So everything that you can see red is mechanical equipment, whatever color is that. The other color is the owner equipment, and green is showing you the names of the room. Okay, cool. Did you guys see what I did? Everybody was able to do that? Yes? Adam? Okay. Just right. Just at the right moment. Okay, let me see if I can wait a second until my friend here. That's my second floor. It's coming. Cool. When you line it up, Karen and Adam, I would like you guys to look at base offset. Do you guys see that offset here? Now this is the second floor, Adam. Right now we're sitting in the first floor. Look what I'm gonna do. Can you guys look at me? I'm gonna move it from 0 level all the way up, Matt, up to 15 feet. Can you guys see that? So do me a favor. Go grab, do you see where it says base offset? Let's go put this one 15 feet. Why 15 feet? Because that's the height of the second floor. It will disappear. Did you guys pick it up and put it at 15? It will disappear from here. Yes. Yep, base offset. Do you see that one? And put it at 15. So it will disappear from here. Perfect, yeah. Sometimes it doesn't look like on that one. Line it up. You know, I believe you. Computers sometimes have a very their own. When you line it up, can you put where? Can you just see the offset? Adam, did you do the offset? Work for you? Okay. Matt, did you offset? Offset. Okay. Put the offset at 15, and give me thumbs up, please, so I can go to next level. Okay. When you do the offset. So I'm gonna go look and see if I can see in the second floor, guys. Can you guys see it's shown in the second floor now? Go under second floor, right? E6, second floor. Can you guys see it? It's showing here, right? This is second floor plan lighting. It should show under every one of them. If you go second floor power. Okay. It's not showing. No, it's there. What's going? Yeah, second floor. Yeah, wherever the second floor is. Wherever the second floor is, guys. It should show up wherever the second floor is. Did you guys hear me? Cool? All right, now I want to do one of them. You guys should do all of them. I'm going to go to second floor power, which is E8 right here. Click on that one. Okay. Come over here. We're going to VV. Let's VV. When we VV, go imported category. Go to expand the second floor that you did. Pick the first one. And all the way down to the last one. Unclick all of them. And click somewhere. Oops. Unclick all of them. Okay, so I unselected them. Then go back again, guys, and pick the names like we did. Mechanical equipment. It was under, here's mechanical equipment. You need this one. I don't know why we have two mechanical equipment. And where's the other one, the names? Can anybody tell me where the name's in that one? Um, A rooms, yeah, A rooms. Do you guys see owner equipment too? Right here. Okay, so you need these ones. Owner equipment, mechanical equipment. Go override the color. So what was the color that we used for the owner equipment? That color here, right? For the owner equipment. For the names, the color that we used for the names was green. And you really can do any color you want. This is just for you, so you know when you're looking at them, you know where you are. And the mechanical equipment, and I don't know why we have two mechanical equipment. We use the color red, right? Override them. You guys have to do that one. It helps you a little bit. Mechanical equipment red. Okay. All right. Apply and okay. So here's your second floor, guys. Your second floor equipment that should identify certain things for you. That should identify the break room, the elevator, and what's not. Okay. Now, Adam, you are to do this in every second floor sheet. Did you guys hear me? You have to show this one in every second floor sheet. Cool? All right, so that's what I wanted to, that will give you the mechanical equipment, where the mechanical equipment located. So, and eventually, guys, this is just giving you the names. There are mechanical equipment also, like here. See that this is air handling unit. We're gonna go find an air handling unit later on when we go to mechanical. Drop it right where the air handling unit is gonna be located. There's nothing there yet. Some equipment are modeled in Revit, others are not there in Revit. So you guys are going to be bringing, especially mechanical equipment. You'll be dropping these mechanical equipment based on this info that we brought. Okay. I'm not going to do the rest of them, guys. You are to go. So for example, if you go to the first floor, the E9. Can you guys see the mess that E9 is have? So what do you need to do? In E9, you need to go VV it and make change in every one of these sheets. You're going to VV it. You don't have to do it right now because I need to do something with you. Well, let's do that one like in E9, each one of them. So you're going to go VV here, imported category. I'm going to go to the first floor because this is first floor. Click on the first, click on the last, unclick all of them, done. Then go to owner equipment and override it to the color that I said we would like it to be. And okay it. Then go to the rooms, override it to the color, the green color because Chad likes it. And go to the mechanical equipment, gentlemen, and override it to the to red. I think we used red. Okay. All right. And then when you're done, hit OK, apply, and exit. And here's how it's going to look like your mechanical, your first floor low voltage. Did you guys hear me? Eventually, Karen, all this low voltage will be turned off. We will turn off the low voltage. Did you guys hear me, guys? We will turn off the low voltage. This is just to give you right now where the mechanical equipment and the owner equipment are located and the names and what's not. So, can I have your attention for a second, guys? You need to go to every view where the first floor and the second floor is existed and do the same thing. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We know how to do that? Okay. So that's the first thing we're going to do. The second thing, gentlemen, since we're doing low voltage, let's go load a couple of things. Since we're going to focus on the low voltage. Can you guys go load families? Let's go to... It doesn't matter which sheet you are. Really, we're loading families. It doesn't matter. Well, you know what? So because we're doing low voltage, let's talk a little bit about low voltage. Go, guys, to the views, will you? Go way up to the views. For the low voltage, you have two views. First floor, we're going to go low voltage. We have two views. Can you guys see that? We have view for low voltage or low voltage system. We have E9, first floor. You're looking at it. And we also have E10, second floor. And gentlemen, you're looking at it. You have first floor and you have second floor. Okay? When you're in the first floor, this is the view that you're going to be seeing. You're going to be dropping anything in the wall in this view. Did you guys hear me? Anything in the wall will be dropped in E9 first floor plan low voltage system. Anything in the wall. Anything in the ceiling will be dropped under the following. So you're going to go to, if you go up to one level and go to ceiling, do you see that one that we say is low voltage fixtures? We need low voltage first floor, second floor. Where's second floor? Low voltage right here. First floor plan, low voltage fixtures. That's where you're going to be when you want to drop certain things in the ceiling. And am I making sense? If you're in the ceiling, you're going to be in the ceiling. If you're in the walls, you're going to be in the floor view. Make sense? Like we did in the commercial project, guys. The only difference is we have two-story here, two-story building. Okay.
Do you only want these unloaded onto the power plans or the lighting plans too?
Which one are you talking about?
All this equipment.
Oh, yeah. Well, the CAD file that we brought, it will show only in the floor plans. It wouldn't show in the ceiling views. Why? You know why? Because the ceiling view, look at this. If you put it right here, here's the floor. You put the imported file. If you want to see it, you have to offset it more to be seen in the ceiling. And it will confuse you guys if you do that. It will show the mechanical equipment also up there. So to know the names, for example, if I know which room is this, can you now, if I don't know which room is this, right, in the ceiling, can you guys go to the first floor, please? Here's my first floor, right? Here's my first floor. It will tell you clearly this is the what? Generator, electrical room. Do you see what I mean? The names are shown in the floor plan. Derek, am I making sense? They're not showing in the ceiling.
Well, no, but on E5, like on my other ones where it's loaded, like it only shows up in E5, which is a lighting plan.
E5. Let's go to E5. Okay, here's my, what was E5?
Lighting.
E5. Okay. So, is it?
Yeah, I just want to make sure that because that's the only one my floor plan show up.
Yeah, the first floor should show on the first floor. The second floor should show on the second floor. Right? So wherever you have a first floor, you should see the imported CAD file for the first floor. Wherever you see a second floor, guys, you should see the imported CAD of the second floor. Not the ceiling though, not in the ceiling, the floors. So Derek, can you go to, here's first floor power. If you click on first floor power right here, would you see the imported categories? Would you see the CAD stuff that we brought?
No, I see what you're saying. It's, yeah, it's going over.
Okay. All right. So one more time, guys. We're doing the low voltage. So let's go load. Let's see where we are going to be. How about if you guys can go to, let's go to, since we're doing low voltage, E9, first floor low voltage. Double click on E9, first floor low voltage. We are right in here. Gentlemen, that's what we are. Okay. Then I'm going to go load families. Load families. Okay. For loading families, guys, let's just do standardize a little bit. Let's use the industrial families that came with us. And if you can't find it in the industrial, let's use some from the commercial stuff that we did. So do me a favor. Go into imported load families. Click on desktop. That will take you into the shortcut that take you to the instructor folder. Go to the semester. Go to the instructor folder. Revit families and industrial project. Oops, Revit families, Chad. Revit families. Yep, industrial project here. Are you guys with follow me? Okay, and then let's go to the low voltage where we have a bunch of them. Let's go to the fire alarm. Click on the fire alarm. Click on the first one and the last one. So that will load all the fire alarm. Okay, can I, before you go there, can I have your attention, guys? If it has DCT, Dynamic Project Technology, these, just to let you know, where did you brought this family from? If we have DCT, this family has been brought from the industrial project. If it doesn't, then it's either from the software itself or from the commercial project. Okay, load all of these. So load them. So we loaded all the stuff that came. Cool. All right. Cool. Everybody's loading. All right. So let's go load families again. When you guys go there, unfortunately, I wish it takes you back all the way. So you're going to do the same thing over and over again. Go click here, instructor folder. We're going to go to, not favorite. We're going to go Revit families, industrial project. I'm going to go load. I loaded the fire alarm, guys. I have communication devices and I also have security devices. I'm going to go to the communication devices and load these two. Here's my communication devices. Can you guys see that? Load all this. Load all your communication devices. Perfect. So you're going to go now, Karen, when we do power or mechanical equipment or everything else, you are to go to that folder and load the families from there before you start dropping them. Am I making sense? Yes, no? Okay, you're going to go load all of them. So let's go load all the low voltage at once, guys. So one more time, it takes you a few seconds here. Back again, instructor folder, and we're going to go to Revit, industrial project. So we laid the communication. Let's go to fire alarm. We did, let's do security devices, shall we? Here's the security device ceiling and security device, all these. Load them. Okay. And the last thing we need to load is, I think there's some communication devices too. Instructor folder. So we're going to go load families, industrial project. So we did the security, we did the fire alarm, we did, let's see, data equipment, data rack, telephone. Okay, you need this one, guys. Telephone, there's a telephone, voice, data. Can you guys see that? Telephone service post 1 and 2, telephone service post, don't ask me. Click on all these and load them. Okay, so that's all the families that for the most part you need. All the families that for the most part you need. Okay, now Karen, where do they show up? So you know that they're there. If you guys click way at the bottom of, you should be able to see your families. Can you guys see them right here? Under everything that you load, it's going to be under families. Can you, Derek, can you see where it says communication? Here's all the cable tray stuff that you guys have to do. Speakers are here. Telephone, voice, data floor. Here's also the fire alarm stuff that we brought. Can you guys see them? Security stuff. Here's, do we have under security devices? Here's my security devices. I have security device ceiling, security device. Okay, so here's all the stuff that we did. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Now, I want you guys to start with the families in the industrial project. If you can't find what you're looking for, remember, Adam, there have two more options to find the families. You can go get it in the commercial project, right? Families, and also the system has a families with it. The good news, guys, when you go work for a well-organized engineering firm, they will have all your families in one location. Unfortunately, we have most of the our families are in one location, but we keep changing them all the time, so you might have to monkey around to find them. Okay, so here's, we loaded the families. Now let's go drop something. You guys have the requirement, the project requirement. Let me go open the project requirement before my speaker comes here. Click on this. Oh, do we have the speakers coming? No, not yet. Okay. So what I'm going to do, have that requirement handy, will you? Because you have to follow directions. Let's go to electrical CAD. I'm loading mine electronically here. Okay. Project, scope, and blah, blah. Okay, so we're going to go to industrial, not development. We're going to do scope, 2014 scope. Okay, so here's my scope, gentlemen and ladies. Let's go all the way, the low voltages, guys, all the way at the end. Okay, let's start with right here, fire alarm. Can you guys see the fire alarm here? Start with 1.13. This is your fire alarm. And then 1.14 technology raceways. And also, I want to remind you, the low volt, the security system is right here. Here's my security system. Another sheet in my case. Yours, guys, should be at, I think, now what? There you go. Here's my security. Can you guys see it in your sheet? Okay, so let's look first at the fire alarm system, since we're in the fire alarm system. Okay, fire alarm system, provide complete fire, not for, fire alarm. Fire complete fire alarm system. Not necessarily complete coverage. The building is fully sprinklered, so we only need the smoke detector where they tell you guys. System shall monitor manufacturing first floor, computer room, pre-action, balance of the first floor, second floor. Hopefully our inspector, the guy speaker will talk about these guys a little bit more details. We have a pre-action. I'll talk about the pre-action. Look at this. We have manual pull stations. Do you guys remember how we did the manual pull station? Anybody remember? We put them next to every external door. We have smoke detectors right here. Smoke detectors, gentlemen. Smoke detectors. We need one for elevator lobby recall. So there's an elevator. You see it in the front of the elevator lobby. You're going to put one smoke detector. We need research lab. The research lab have to have a full coverage of smoke detectors. How do we lay out the smoke detectors? Typically 30 feet on center. 30 feet on center and 15 feet from the walls. Full coverage. Then we're going to go to the manufacturing floor. Manufacturing floor, guys, we're going to also have a full coverage in the manufacturing floor. Hazardous location, we also need hazardous location. Air handling units and duct type. Air handling unit equipment. For the air handling unit, guys, we're going to have a coverage as well as a duct smoke detectors for the supply and or the return. Typically, we're going to throw one in the supply and the return. So that's where your smoke detector. Can you guys see where you're going to look at the smoke detector? Adam, technologies. The technology. Manufacturing, so provide a cable ladder. Can you guys highlight the word cable ladder? This is very important. A cable ladder system to support all telephone and data within the facility. We have manufacturing. You need one in the manufacturing floor, office building, and research lab. What they want a cable tray in these areas. I'll show you. We have it in Revit. I'll show you how to drop it. This is empty boxes. So what we're going to be doing, guys, we're going to have a phone data, basically for every office and for every area, bigger area, we put one in the wall, phone data. So almost every area is going to have at least one in the wall. All offices are going to have one in the floor. So that's your phone data. If you go to the security system, here's my security. My security, exactly like we did in the commercial project, guys. We have main security panel located and we're going to put them in the security in a closet. Door contacts, motion detectors, glass break, audible alarm, main keypad, exactly like we did in the commercial project. For the fire alarm system too, we're going to have a horn strobe next to Siamese. The Siamese, who did the low voltage, present low voltage for the commercial project? Karen, yeah. So we're going to do it for the Siamese location, we're going to put the horn strobe. And we also want to have a flow switches, two tamper switches. You know what? Can you guys change this one? Do you have your sheet here? So let's do 3 tamper switches and 3 flow switches. Let's make these 3 tamper, 3 flow. Can you change that one, please? So 3, 3 basically. 3 tamper switches, 3 float switches. Okay. Yes, continue. Yes. Okay, cancel. We don't want to do that. All right. Cool. So that's the requirement that we're going to do. So let me, so have this handy, gentlemen, and let's go, cancel. Okay, cancel. Minimize this, minimize that. Okay. Now let's go put, okay, so we don't have. That's so it must be our speaker. Yeah. Hi there. How are you? I'm Chad. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
There's actually one more, and he's should be coming shortly.
Oh, okay.
You need to know where to go.
Yeah, you're right here. Come and put your stuff right here. Thank you.
Do you have, does everyone have the dollars that we sent? The
Uh,
large format ones? Are we able to get it up here?
You mean
These
this
ones?
one? Yeah,
Yeah.
they have electronically. They have everything. Yeah,
We do.
it's right here.
Okay.
Yep, absolutely.
All right. Well, do you want to walk with me Because I might
Yes.
not be able to find my way.
Absolutely. Let me go help you. I'm sorry. I'm in the middle. Let me just stop my recording here.